Hi, so today I'm going to be solving the cube while sailing, but first we need to go to a good place where we can sail. Hey, Ray Roberts Lake. That seems like a good place to do this video. Okay, and our boat's right there. How convenient. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're out on the sea right now. We're going pretty quickly. The wind's pretty strong. I have my rope just in case, and I have my cube. I'm gonna let it up a bit. Okay, I'm gonna start inspection. So, 3, 2, there's a boat coming. No, oh no. I'm gonna have to finish it quickly. Okay, that's my solve. Not the best solve, but I need to catch the wind again, and there's a speedboat coming right there.